Finding the best cheap drone, that is one that delivers a rewarding flying experience without costing you a fortune, is not easy. But we are here to help you make the right choice. Drone technology has made some great leaps forward over the last few years. So buying a cheap drone doesn't mean getting lumbered with something that's almost impossible to fly with a battery that dies after a few minutes. But today's budget drones are friendly to use and packs in features that you might expect to be reserved for more expensive models like smart flight control, camera stabilization, GPS locking, and even 4K video. In this video, I am going to show you 5 amazing cheap drones that you can consider to buy. So do watch the video till the end and do let me know in the comment section which cheap drone did you like the most. Please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends and subscribe our channel. Potensic Elfin, a well-made and robust little drone that's easy to fly. For anyone new to drone flying, the Potensic Elfin is a fast, responsive and maneuverable little flyer that's also pleasingly robust. It's delightfully easy to fly, although its lightweight build means that you won't want to take it out on windy days, and it has some really useful beginner features such as automatic landing if it strays beyond its 50-meter Wi-Fi range, and a headless mode in which it is automatically align itself to your position and respond to control inputs accordingly. There are a few fun features to explore too. You can plot a course on your phone's touchscreen for the Elfin to follow, and it will take a photo when you throw up a peace sign with your hand or start video recording when you wave to its camera. Where this drone falls short is in its photo and video quality. Although it's in line with the many budget drones, here the Elfin is clearly outshone by the similarly priced Rizotello with its inbuilt video stabilization software. As a result, footage shot while moving looks very shaky by comparison. Fortunately, you get a far better video results when hovering, as the Elfin maintains its vertical position pretty well. Buy this amazing drone for its rapid and responsive flyer, easy to control and good hovering and decent battery life. Holystone HS100 FPV, the best cheap drone for aerial photography. If your priority when buying a cheap drone is to explore the possibilities of aerial photography, the Wi-Fi controlled Holystone HS100 FPV is a brilliant starting point. It has an optimized 1080p camera with a 120-degree field of view as well as 90-degree adjustable angle, enabling you to easily capture impressive footage or stills as well as experimenting with the shooting from different perspectives. The drone is also suitable for the use with a VR or the first-person viewing goggles. Follow me mode is on hand to further boost the dynamics of your shots, enabling the drone to automatically follow a subject and keep it in the frame at all times, ideal for epic selfies or shooting fast-moving activity. Buy this amazing drone for its 1080p HD camera, 15-minute flight time and 500-meter range. Potensic A20W Mini Drone. This budget camera equipped option is a great choice for kids. For younger would-be pilots eager to test out their drone skills and shoot some video and stills when they are at it, the Potensic A20W is a standard option. It's a beginner's drone that does the job and ticks all the right boxes with a well-protected propellers to guard against the bumps and scrapes, as well as a loud low-power alarm and an emergency stop button for when things start to get a little too over-enthusiastic. For frustration-free flight, the Potensic A20W has a built-in barometer to lock it to a set altitude, enabling your kids to concentrate on flying without having to constantly adjust the power stick to keep the drone at the same height. This makes it a joy to fly with one-touch takeoff and landing controls, allowing kids to grasp the basics of the drone flying in record time. Given the low price, this drone offers fantastic value for money, not least because it comes with a small but very well designed hand controller that features a cradle for a smartphone and a button for automatic takeoff and landing, 3 flight speeds and a headless mode. Buy this amazing drone for its very easy to fly from a respected drone manufacturer. Riso Tello, the best cheap drone thanks to Flight Tech by DJI. For a tiny but capable selfie drone, this little option from Rise is well worth checking out. The Tello weighs just 80 grams and measures 98mm at its widest point, and it can stay airborne for up to 13 minutes at a time and hover on the spot without GPS. And it has a camera with a digital image stabilization that can shoot 720p video and 5MP stills. Because it's equipped with a camera and classified as not a toy, the Tello will require an operator ID. Although designed for indoor flying, this little craft is also adept at flying outdoors as long as it's not too windy. Using the separate Tello Edu app that is found on iOS and Android, it's also possible to program the Tello to perform a series of maneuvers with no real-time input from the pilot. Just drag a series of named color-coded blocks into a specific order and the Tello will follow the commands. Buy this amazing drone for its flight technology designed by DJI, programmable, and it's a lightweight drone. So these are the 5 amazing drones that you can consider to buy. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share this video among your friends. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.